Before you hear, "I'm bored," this summer try these easy essential oil activities for kids.
First up, let's make a soft, scented Play-Doh that's perfect for hands-on summer fun. Here's what you need. 1 cup salt, 1/3 cup water. Stir salt into the water in a saucepan over medium heat for 5 minutes until it looks snowy and dry. 1/2 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup cold water, natural color dyes, and 30 drops of diluted Be Happy blend. Stir until it reaches a doughy consistency. Allow the dough to cool before playing and enjoy. Next, mix up a simple essential oil bug spray to help keep outdoor adventures more enjoyable. All you need is 2 ounces of fractionated coconut oil, 12 drops of pesticide, 2 ounces glass spray bottle. Combine your ingredients in your glass spray bottle and spritz on before enjoying the outdoors. Beat the summer heat with this refreshing, cooling mist. You will need 3 ounces of distilled water, 1 ounce grain alcohol, 24 drops Focus blend, 4 ounces glass spray bottle. Combine Focus and grain alcohol and let sit for a few hours before adding water. Shake to combine and spritz on to cool off. Finish with a calming sensory bottle that's fun to shake, watch, and enjoy all summer long. You will need a glass mason jar, water, dye, glitter, and confetti, fractionated coconut oil, diffuse calm them down while your little ones play to usher in peace.
OK for Kids blends are thoughtfully crafted with little ones in mind, making family DIY simple and stress-free. Love simple, kid-friendly activities? Hit follow for more essential oil inspiration, and don't forget to save this one.